Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? From last 1 month, Anchor coin will completely on the profit 15.64% profit. So the total average of this month is going 100% going positive. So therefore, we will predicate my friends to see this now. So therefore, this is very important for all Anchor coin holder, my friends, to watch this video completely. Don't miss any second of this video because I urgently, my friends, make this video in a very short video for all my viewers. So I'm going to explain something very better now for all of you, but kindly you will also need to hold on and don't starting selling. First of all, this is very important. My opinion is just in only please research personally before you take any decision. So my friends, before I waste my time, please I'm going to start the video, but remember to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Anchor coin price will be increasing at 0.9%. The price is pumped up, so definitely when a price will pumps up, that all credit goes to holder and the team of Anchor coin. Yes, my brother, the team of Ankr coin first of all is doing very hard work. So definitely when a team is starting hard work, so of course my brothers, the price will be increasing now. And when my friends, the holder are starting investing on holding 100%, my friend, the price is completely increasing. So therefore, of course, my friend, the for the reasons is completely there now. And my friend, in upcoming time, the experts says to the very huge explosion is coming soon. I think it is also possible to the huge explosion is coming because at the last 20 days of every month every coin will move upwards. So the I think first reason was that to the price is increasing. So therefore I'm 100% sure, my friends, to in the upcoming time the price of Anchor coin will be increasing. You can see here in last 12 hours 3.28% the price increasing. So I think this is also very high pump. Definitely it's really high pump. No coin, my friend, no one, my friends, will expect this, my friend, from Anchor coin to they will move up like that. But in this month, my friends, the all day, my friend, the price will increasing. There is not a huge dump. Absolutely, there is a lot of huge pump, but not a dump. So therefore I share my opinion, my advice for all of you to please hold down, don't starting selling, and remember to, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.